blessing for Ukraine. From the Carpathians to Kyiv streets, from Odessa harbors to Kharkiv homes, we remember the names, we remember the tears. We ask for mercy and we choose hope. Bless Ukraine. Streets carry smoke and stories, old walls show scars. Blue and yellow cloth and shattered windows, trains leaving at dawn. Empty chairs at crowded tables, a table set for the missing. History presses like winter on the chest, sirens pull the night long. Yet hands keep reaching across broken fences. Bread is shared, a candle stays lit in the kitchen. Love refuses to leave.
Where is the light in this deep night? Will rivers of justice start to run? Will mercy fall like rain?
Blessing for Ukraine, rise of light over Ukraine. Fiery comes the morning, ashes become right. Mercy like a river, justice like a flame. You are the hope that breaks our night. Rise of light over Ukraine. Now the present speaks with steady courage. Mothers pack bags for strangers they will never meet. Fathers teach children how to breathe through fear. Soldiers and students share one prayer. Homes become shelters, churches become kitchens. A city sings under a sky that shakes. Where is the light in this deep night?
Will rivers of justice start to run? Will mercy fall like rain?
Blessing for Ukraine, rise of light over Ukraine. Fire becomes morning, ashes become rise. Mercy like a river, justice like a flame. You are the hope that breaks our night. Rise of light over Ukraine. Ukrainian, слава Україні, мир і світло, зцілення для ран, захист для дітей, нехай надія знову встає. Полиш, покой для України, уздоровлення для ран, справедливість і надія.
السلام لأوكرانيا، شفاء للجراح.
justicia para Ucrania, sanidad para las heridas, esperanza que se levanta, peace and light over Ukraine. Blessing for Ukraine, rise of light over Ukraine. Fire becomes morning, ashes become rise. Mercy like a river, justice like a flame. You are the hope that breaks our night. Rise of light over Ukraine.
Bless the hands that rebuild. Bless the hearts that forgive. Let children walk in safety.
Let the land